We were asked by some customers about how to change the status of task. So in case you are using desk view, in this case just switch the view to task, where you see a list of all tasks, and just click the rectangle and change the status according to the reality. So we have different statuses in Scrum Desk. The first is to do, and this status is for all tasks that are just new and they are not assigned to anyone. Then we have status which name is solved, and in this case this task is probably done by developer and someone else, like testers, can take a look on it and can assign it to himself. And the last one is complete. So this is the first approach you can use to change the status of task. In some cases you are informed by Scrum Desk that task is probably not estimated in this case. So in this case you are warned about this situation and you can decide. Another approach is to do the change of task on taskboard. Taskboard displays a story, plus it displays all tasks as separate cards. Status can be changed just using drag and drop in this case. So just click the task card and drag it to appropriate column. So as you can see, just click and drag, click, drag. That's all about status changes. Maybe the last thing is that you can anytime double click task and you can change status by clicking this rectangle as well. All changes are immediately updated in taskboard.